Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. So as I go back home today, there is a memory from 14 years ago, Namacharya's Kirtana, which is said, which is known as Kadu Nadusu Choranela, Kallu Kadugaganela, Kadaleni Jannasagara Meedanela. This is one of the very reflective kirtanas of Annamacharya, which questions or does a vichara, causality of why this is happening, the samsara is happening. So this is an attempt to kind of go through the lyrics of that song and see what he is questioning here. A very popular song, and several singers have sung this, and it's a wonderful, well-known Telugu Vagyekara's Kirtana, Annamacharya's Kirtana. So it says, Kadunu Adusu Choranela. Adusu is a muddy place. So why to enter into the mud? Kallu Kadugaganela. Then once we enter and mud our feet, then we have to wash the feet. Kallu Kadugaganela. Kadaleni Janmasagaramu Idanela. So Kadaleni, Kada means end, endless ocean of Janmas. Janmas means births. Endless ocean of births, birth after birth after birth, means death is included. You cannot keep taking birth without dying. So birth and death cycle. Kadaleni Janma Sagaramu Idanela. Idanela means to swim across this Janma Sagaram, Samsara Sagaram Nela. So these are the questions he is raising. Kadu Nadusu Choranela, Kallu Kadugaganela, Kadaleni Janma Sagaram Idanela. Then he goes into why. So he starts with Duritambulakunella Todavu Mamakarampu. So he says all these, why we are doing, because of several Duritas. Duritas means sinful actions, actions that have caused damage to the world. So we have to come and repay for those damages. So Duritamulakella Todavu. Todavu means companion, association. Associate of Duritas is Mamakaram. Mamakaramu. So Duritambulakenella Todavu Mamakarampu. So first stage is Duritamulu. Its association is with Mamakaram. Mamakaram means I-ness. This is mine. This is mine. So because we feel something is mine, we will try to acquire more mine. We will try to protect the existing mine. Thereby we cause trouble to the others and Duritalu. So because of that we means we are entering into the mud and washing the feet, entering in. Aridi mamataluku todavu adiyasalu. So this mamatas, this mine feeling is associated with adiyasalu. Adiyasalu means aspirations that are beyond the scope of. So what naturally that comes to us is the natural aspiration. But adiyasalu is unfulfillable aspirations. Adiyasalu. Gurutaina asalaku. So adiyasalu, gurutu means very strong, big, unfathomably big. Gurutaina asalaku. Guru is big, laghu is small. Gurutaina asalaku korikalu jivanamu. Those aspirations are enlivened by desires, smaller desires. So I want to achieve this, I want to achieve this. This is what is the korikalu jivanam. Paraganannitiki lampatame karanamu. So he concludes the first charana with lampatam. Lampatamu is the undue attachment to the objects. Lampatam. Lampatam means too much of stickiness, too much stuck in something is lampatam. So Duritamulu are causing the repeated births. They are caused by the mamakaram. Mamakaram is associated with adiyasalu or gurutaina aspirations. Those aspirations are enlivened by the desires. All these things are caused by the attachment beyond the scope. So, lampatamu karanam. So, he goes into the next charana. Tudaleni lampatamu dukkha hetu. So, this attachment causes the dukkha, means sorrow, sadness. Tudaleni, tuda is end. Endless attachment. Tudaleni lampatamu dukkha hetu. Dukkhamudutaina tapamunaku undaga chotu. So these sorrows will cause place or make place for tapamu. Tapamu means the heat, the scorching heat which causes more trouble. So the lampatamu causes sorrow. Attachment is causing the sorrow. The sorrows are causing pain. Dukkha hetu tapamu. Tapam is padilamagu tapam. So it creates a space for tapam, pain. And padilamagu tapambu. One that is, padilam is one which is stored pains. So the vasanas actually. Padilamagu tapamulu, prana sankatamulu. They cause so much of trouble to the life. Prana sankatamu. Sankatamu is unanswerable questions. They take us to the confusion that causes trouble even to the prana sankatamulu. ఈ మదము పెంపునకు తన మనసు కారణము. So he concludes for this madam. Madam is the third degree of the Ari Shadvarga. So kama will convert into krodha and lobha. If it is not fulfilled, anger will come. It is fulfilled, possessiveness will come. Krodha lobha. Then it becomes, krodha becomes moha, lobha becomes mada, matsarya. So like that, ee madamu pempunaku tana manasu karanamu. So we store these pains into padilamagu tapamulu, prana sankatamulu, that turns into as madamu. Ee madamu pempunaku tana manasu karanamu. So the mind is the bundle of all these vasanas, pains, etc., etc. So that is the root cause of this whole cycle. Then he comes to that, so what? Now we having understood all this sequence, bringing it to the attachment and mind in two charanas. In third charana, he is again asking a question. He is not advising you do this, but again he is asking why not to do this. So వెలయుతన మనసునకు వెంకటేశుడు కర్త. సో who is the author of this mind? Karta, or the who created this capability of mind is Lord. వెంకటేశుడు కర్త. బలిసి ఆతని తలచు పనికి తా కర్త. So reminding of himself, that karta, the author, the one who originated this, is the duty of the individual. బలసి ఆతని తలచు పనికి తాకర్త. తలకొన్న తలపులిది దైవమానుషముగా తలచి ఆత్మేశ్వరుని తలపంగా వలదా? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అగైన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అగైన్. సో వెలయు తన మనసునకు వెంకటేశుడు కర్త. వెంకటేశ ఈజ్ ద కర్త ఫర్ ద మైండ్. బలసి ఆతని తలచు పనికి తాకర్త. సో ఇండివిజువల్ షుడ్ బి కంటిన్యూస్లీ రిమైండెడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కర్త, ద వెంకటేశ్వర. దీస్ ఆర్ ద థాట్స్. తలకొన్న తలపులివి. ఆల్ దీస్ థాట్స్ that talakonna. So now we have been through these talapulu. Daiva manushamuga. So they have been inspired by the God. Daiva manusham. From the God, they have entered into this talachi. So this understanding these kind of sequence of thoughts as the God's grace, Atmeshwaruni talapanga valada. So this Atmeshwara, which samasa is that? Is that Atma has a Ishvara, or Ishvara has a Atma, or Atma is Ishvara? So again, three samasas, Karmadharayam, Bahurvihi, and Tatpurusha are used. So in each, if Atma has a Ishvara, then Atmeshwara. So Atma becomes inferior, Ishvara becomes superior. If Ishvara has a Atma, again Atma becomes superior, Ishvara becomes inferior. But if it is Visheshana Purvapada Karmadharayam, Atma is Ishvara, Ishvara is Atma. If we consider like that, the author of this mind is the Atma. Atma only is the Ishvara. Talapanga valada. Talapanga means identify or recognize. Should we not recognize this Atmeshwara is the question. And he says, Kadu nadusut chodanela, kallu kadugaganela, kadaleni janma sahagara meeda nela. So basically what Annamaya is pointing is he is going through a series of vichara, causal analysis of what is causing what, and finally establishing the realization which removes all these problems, the mind, the lampatamu, all its associated problems of cycles of janmas in a very short, small philosophical kirtana. So this has given a lot of impactful thoughts long back when I was studying Annamaya and his kirtanas and stuff like that. His poetry plus music. So it eventually comes back as a memory over a period of time and makes me speak about this today. So hopefully this Arthaspurana, this meaning, more and more people enjoy this philosophical kirtanas of our great poets, not only just poets, they are Vakyakaras. They have expressed their thought in their own words, in their own musical notations to connect to the Atma inside through the Nada, Nadanusandhana, directly deliver the meaning of these things without referring to external repositories of dictionaries, grammar, etc., etc. So that power is there in that such kirtanas that can deliver through the Nada Vidya. So hopefully that inspires more seekers to go through the sayings and these Nada yogis like Annamacharya. With that, Swasti. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya.